Hey, it's Callie and I'm back with another unboxing slash review style video. So today I am going to be unraveling this Theverian Dancer cosplay from Final Fantasy XIV. Final Fantasy XIV is actually one of my favorite games ever, like of all time. I love it so much. I've been dying to do just a cosplay from Final Fantasy XIV. But I'm not deep enough into the expansions yet to find a character design that I'm super in love with, although I'm very, very close to it. I do love the dancers' outfits. I think they're very pretty and I think their weapons are very cool. I guess I should give some context. If you're not familiar with Final Fantasy XIV, Final Fantasy XIV is I'm getting over a cold, okay? My sinuses are awful right now. It's a MMORPG. Just like World of Warcraft. You pick a class, you have your race, you have your whatever, and you have glams. You have glams. I don't know what else there is to the game. Just kidding, there's a lot more. It's a great story, it's a really good game. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's change this camera angle. I'm assuming... Whoa! These are cool. They kind of feel like metal. Maybe they are. They're like that, costumey jewelry type metal. You know what I mean? Where you can tell that it's not real metal, but... It's not plastic feeling either. It feels really nice. My cats love this stuff, guys. This definitely goes on top. I hope this isn't the top. We will have to see when we try to... I'm pretty certain that this is the top. Oh, I have it upside down. Duh. Okay. Okay, guys. These are really pretty. I love whatever material these are made out of. They feel like real metal. It feels really good quality. I really love the choice in fabric. It's kind of like a... I don't know what this is. 100% polyester, but it's polyester something. I think it's really beautiful. Oh no, guys, there's a Velcro back here. I hate Velcros. We know this. They pull on my hair. It's not nice. That sucks. So a big problem that I do have with this, which I will have to fix. This is not lined. Like, this is straight up see-through. Like, it's sheer. Completely sheer. Which is not good for this kind of piece. I was also hoping, because of the nature of it being like a strapless top, that it would have padding. Does that make sense? Like, I don't understand why they would not line it. So how I'm gonna fix this when the time comes, because I think that that's important, is I'm going to take a bralette and sew it to the inside of it, like a lining. Like, I'm gonna hand stitch it along the edges. Besides that though, this looks pretty good. I'm happy with these little pieces. I'm really happy with the details. I think it all looks really nice. I just am a bit sad about why they made that decision. Next up, we have the two arm pieces. Here's the first one. It's of that same really beautiful material. These are really, really gorgeous. Once again, they're just kind of serged, which I'm okay with, but you are gonna see these like raw edges a bit. It still looks pretty good. It's just not a choice I'd personally make. These details are really beautiful though, and I love how shiny they are. Next up, we have the skirt. This is gorgeous. Here's the top up here. This is really, really pretty. The sides are slits, as you can see. I'll definitely not be overheating in this one. I really like how they sewed on these details. This is gonna be really mean, but I'm just gonna pull in a little bit. Yeah, they're not snapping off. Okay, so that looks good. I really like this applique too. You can see that these gold vinyl details are appliqued all around the edges. I think that's a really pretty detail. Now we have a smaller bag in a bag. Metal little pieces. I don't know, I don't really understand where they're supposed to go. They must be replacement pieces for something. Clear bra straps. Okay. I can see there's spaces where those clear bra straps hook into. This is just a detail. It's that metal type material. This is really, really pretty. Guys, there's like hot glue strands all over the place. That's awful. Okay, I am pretty sure that these are the hair pieces. This goes somewhere. This is like a Genshin cosplay. This is amazing. This is all like jewelry. Here and a clip there. feel like a goblin. This is like my gold hoard. Okay, there is a lot to take in here. Let's try it on and figure out where everything goes. Okay, I'm going to be brutally honest. This has got to be my least favorite cosplay I have ever got from Miccostumes. And on camera looking at it right now, it doesn't look so bad, but I'm going to explain why. So I'll put the size there in the description, but first of all, just wearing it for like 30 seconds, the bottom feather piece fell off of that one and is sitting on the floor right now. Second of all, I just put some padding in here. I just put some padding in temporarily to the top, but it just does not sit right. Like, they really should have put lining or padding or something. Also, if I had any more bust, it would not fit me, and most women are not as flat as me. Also, this is like so tight. Pieces are falling apart. Also, this, for how tight the top is, look at how much room is left over in the back. Like, I clipped a lot of these pieces to my yoga pants too. Otherwise that'd be a problem. Besides that though, it's cute. It's really cute. But I absolutely, oh, also these hair pieces are adorable. But I'm gonna have to do a lot of work on it before I wear it to any convention. I wanna love it, I really do. Also these pieces that go around the legs, quite literally wrap around the legs. I'll probably make some sort of tights instead, because that is just really difficult to get to work. Also, I'm pretty sure I don't know how this is supposed to go on, but I know that this is like the headpiece. I don't know. This is probably going to be one of my least favorite Miccostumes cosplays like I've ever gotten. It was pretty cheap, luckily. It's just I'm gonna have to put a lot of work into like making it wearable. So that's why I'd be a bit unhappy if like I just got it and expected like it's a store-bought cosplay. Like, I don't want to do any work on it. But besides that, it's pretty cute. Oh, it is itchy to sit down with. Anyways though, guys, I hope you enjoyed or found this helpful. I wanted to like this more, but I don't think that this is very well made. I think that this is cute though. It's a good base. I think if you're willing to do some sewing, then yeah, go for it. But there's definitely a degree of effort that's gonna have to be put in here to make it wearable and comfortable. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you again next week on Sunday. And I'll probably have part 1 to my Edelgard done, hopefully. See you then. Thank you.